Circumstances doesn't matter. Whatever you're going through, it doesn't matter because the creation is done. And it's very important for you to understand this, because the biggest concern, the biggest resistance in people's mind is always that, Shruti, you don't understand what's going in my life. That person said that they hate me. My boss hates me. Everything in my reality sucks right now. So it's time to end that constant loop of reaction and creation. You are the creator of your reality. I've said it time and time again, and I'm sure if you're watching this video, you've heard it before, that you are the creator of your reality. But first, understand that the creation is done. You're not creating something, okay? And that's why you feel a lot of pressure. Ki, oh, if I'm creating, what if I'm not good enough to create that situation in my life? What if this? What if that? But there's nothing that you're creating. It's already done. What you're doing is this. So according to quantum physics, there are infinite realities that exist in this very present moment, okay? There are infinite possibilities to one particular situation. What do I mean by that? So when we talk about manifestation, what you're doing is you're simply choosing a different version instead of choosing this version. You're just choosing a different version of yourself from those infinite realities. Let's talk money. So there's a version of you who is like extremely poor, who doesn't have a lot of money. Then there's this current version of you. And there's also a version of you who's a millionaire. Then there's also a version of you which is like a multi-millionaire, then billionaire, and then he or she can be the richest man or woman on the earth. And all of those versions exist in this very present moment, like right here, right now. And in every moment, knowingly or unknowingly, you're choosing a version of yourself out of the quantum field. So that means you're going in and out of different realities, like very often. So now how you do that? Just one word: reaction. By reacting. And that's why you reacting to the 3D circumstances is keeping you in the same position. That's why being delusional is important. Therefore, the reality that you're experiencing right now is just one out of the infinite. So why you want to keep on choosing that one when you literally have the option to choose another reality from the quantum field? I dare you to choose a different reality whenever some unwanted situations come up. So now how to do that in practical life? So let's say if you're having fight with someone, right? And they're angry at you. I do this all the time with my parents. So instead of me reacting to their current version, I choose an entire different version. So in my head, I start saying that they are a peaceful soul. They love me so much. They trust me so much. They are at peace with themselves. And I literally saturate my mind to it. So no matter what the situation is, they always get back to normal like this. And that's the reason no matter what happens, आप अंदर से हिलते ही नहीं हो, because you know that you have the power to choose a different reality in that particular moment. Yes, you do need a regulated nervous system for them. If you want to learn how to regulate your nervous system, watch this video. But from now on, understand that there are literally infinite versions to one particular situation and you have power to choose. So use it. It's not rocket science. All you have to do is get your thoughts in check. Choose the best case scenario, visualize it, affirm for it, and see it happen in your life. And when I tell you it's the easiest way to get anything, I mean it. The reason I'm so confident with myself that I can get literally whatever it is that I want is because of this thing. Is because I understand कि भाई मेरी situation में जो भी हो रहा है doesn't fucking matter. I will get the thing regardless because it's just one reality out of the infinite. And I have the power to choose. And so do you. I know this video helped you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do it. Here we talk about mindset, manifestation, spirituality, life, and so much more. Just follow me on Instagram, listen to the podcast. All the links to my social is in the description, so make sure to check them out. If you have any video suggestions, make sure you put them down in the comment section. I upload videos every Tuesday and Saturday, so I'll see you on Tuesday. Thank you so much for existing. Start using your power because you are limitless. And with that, I'll see you in the next one. I love you all.